Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. And welcome to the update on Harmony One. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that the price of Harmony One broke out a very long-term down channel on the 7 days time frame chart, and after that, it broke out another down channel that was formed on the daily time frame chart, but got rejected by a quite long-term uptrend line resistance. And this was one of those videos, by the way. Now, if you take a look at the live 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that this was the resistance from where the price end was rejected, and now it is dropped down at this long-term resistance that was in fact working at the resistance of the channel, and now it is flipped into a support, and we are testing the support. In fact, we are breaking down the support right now. That is the previous resistance of the channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. I would also like to show you this recent breakout from the smaller down channel, and we will also take a look at this very, very massive breakout that is happening from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for CTK, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 16th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Harmony One. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days of weeks, it was moving inside this down channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, rejection, bounce, few more rejection. Then we had another bounce here, and then we had another bounce here, rejection. Finally, we broke out the channel. The technical target that I was telling you for the breakout from this channel was here at the top of the channel at 3.5 cents, and you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target. By the way, we have also hit the target for the breakout from this bigger down channel as well. On the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that the price end was also moving inside in another down channel. This was the down channel, and after the breakout, the target was here at 3.5 cents. The target was, by the way, at the same level for both channels at 3.5 cents. That was the top of this bigger down channel as well. And after this rally, the price and recent rally, the price and is now once again rejected by the subtrend line resistance. That is, by the way, coming from the month of March 2023. We got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and this is the most recent rejection. Right now, we are dropped down at the previous resistance of this bigger down channel that can now break as support. Right now, you can see that the price and is breaking it down. We had a long spike inside this channel. For example, if we will break it down, then we can test this long-term support zone. That starts from 1 cent and goes to the $0.0085. And you can see that for the past several months, even since after December 2022, for almost 2 or 3 years, it is working at it. Very, very strong support. And before that, for 2 weeks, it had been breaking as a resistance here and support here as well. Therefore, this is a very long-term support. And in case of breaking it down, the price can drop down to the support of this previous down channel somewhere here, approximately at $3.00389. That will be a very, very big drop, by the way. Right now, we need to keep an eye on this support, previous resistance of the channel that is now acting as support. And after that, we will need to keep an eye on this support. And that starts from 1 cent and goes to $0.0085. Now, if you take a look at the previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, then you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, price and so far could not break out this up trend line resistance and also getting rejected by this long-term resistance of 3.5 cents as well. Therefore, so far, the price and could not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 38 cents to 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.